Hey, boys. Hey, LJ, where's Zeke at? Where? There he is! Look, we got some Orbeez.
And we got more over there.
Yeah, we got some more too. But today, right now, we're doing this Orbeez Ultimate Soothing Spa. Yeah, and we got 2,000 Orbeez as a mega pack. So this is already grown, and it does come with some that you can grow yourself. But to save time, we're going to go ahead and use some of these. So this video is sponsored by Maya Toys. So thank you so much for sending these. You can find this set at Target or Walmart or even on their website. We'll put a link below in the description so you can check that out. All right, so we're going to get rocking and rolling, and we're going to open this up and see what it's like. Alright, so it has where you need to put 3 AA batteries in them. So it doesn't come with it, so you'll have to get those. Bless you! Bless you! Bless you! Ah! Goodness! And you have to put those in there. Alright, so we got the batteries in, and we are going to assemble!
Okay.
So the square end goes up this way.
Square and
The square end up. Awesome, so we got that in there.
up there.
Yeah, so we got this, it just rests on there. So we stick that part on there. And then we're gonna assemble the top part. All right, and just snap it all together. All right, so it's all snapped in. It all works, and we are ready for some Orbeez.
Mix that.
All right, boys, so which Orbeez should we start with? Which color?
And this one.
You gonna do the purple one?
Yeah.
All right. All right, you ready to pour them in?
Yeah.
See if they'll go in.
Purple.
Woo! Bouncy, 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 bouncy! All right. Ooh, look at all those colors in there.
My feet.
Zeke, you wanted to push the button? Let's push the button and see how it works.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Look at all those. Look how cool. You guys want to put it on the ground, put your feet in it?
Yeah.
See how it feels? All right.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Do you want your feet in this Orbeez spa that I have here?
Yeah.
Would you like to try it?
Yeah.
Alrighty. I'm going to push the button. Alright. Ooh. Is it soothing, sir? Yes? Do you like it? Oh, your feet are gonna feel so fresh. Would you like to try the Orbeez spa for your feet? Yes, okay, I will turn it on. And can you stick your... Oh, I will have to put it up just a little bit because your feet are short. Ooh, do you see that? Does it feel good in your feet? Yes? Does it feel good? Yeah? Now your feet are going to be so fresh too. Alright, I'm going to have some fresh little footies too. Are we ready? Ready? Oh, my feet are kind of big. Ooh, it's ticklish. Oh, hopefully I don't squish them all. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it feels so fresh.
One big boy me.
Look at all those colors. Whoa, that's ticklish.
Whoa.
Ah, my tootsies look so fresh now. Alright kids, we hope you liked this video. Big shout out to Maya Toys for sending this. This is so awesome.
Bye.
catch y'all later. Watch some more videos. Bye, gamers. Oh, this is not a game. Bye.
That's it.